Hi, my name is Carl Evan Legaspi Gargenia, 21 years old, a graduate from Lourdes College, Cagayan de Oro City, with a degree of Bachelor in Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I've been actively participated and have been awarded from various seminars, workshops, and competitions related to my course. I am very optimistic, self-motivated, hardworking, and a team player. In my first on-the-job training, I applied at the Crown Regency Hotel in Twin Towers, Cebu City, Philippines, assigned as a public area and rooms attendant in the housekeeping department and as a server and also a bartender in the food and beverage services department. Then in my second on-the-job training, I applied at the VIP Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City, assigned as a room attendant in the housekeeping department, a server and a bartender in the food and beverage services department, and a kitchen steward at the food and beverage production department. My exposure in these establishments was one of the best experiences I've had. It helped me in developing and enhance my skills, building up my self-esteem, and also improve my physicality and well-being. I also got the chance to meet new faces, working in a new environment, and gain new knowledge from my supervisors. Though I have many experiences in working with these establishments, I have yet to learn more about the different operations in order to broaden my knowledge. Thank you for taking the time in watching my video, and I look forward to hear from you soon. Goodbye.